Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and guess what I'm standing in front of? Yeah, that's right, Factory 5 Cobra, 302 under the hood, beautiful. We're gonna get it up on the lift, we're gonna check out how nice it is on the underside, we're gonna get under the hood, we're gonna take a look at the interior, we're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cobra investment. So come on up and let's fire this hot rod up. Check this beauty out, man. I tell you what, those silver stripes are buried so far in the clear, you can just barely feel them, just a little bit. Beautiful bodywork on the car. All of it is straight as an arrow, and that paint looks like you could stick your hand in it, it's so deep. The reflections look great. They did a beautiful job. It's got a hot set of wheel and tire on it combo there. We've got the Indy 500 tires on them. The side pipes are freshly brand new jet coating on them. All the chrome looks good. Inside here, take a look at this beauty. All the carpeting looks brand new. The upholstery on the seats look good. We got the 4-point harness, and I tell you what, this thing is so fast, you're gonna wanna hook up all 4 points of that harness. I tell you, this thing is a screamer. Now, the wood steering wheel looks great. The vinyl on the dash is in great shape. All the gauges look good. And it has the second hoop, so you don't have to worry about your wife asking you, how come you're the only one with a roll bar? Because actually, I've heard that question before. Look inside the trunk here. We've actually got a Cobra, looks like a varsity jacket in here. Isn't that cool? That comes with the car. All the tin work back here looks great. All the aluminum's beautiful. There's actually enough room in there. You could get a small set of golf clubs in there if you're interested in golfing. Look down the side of the car. Straight as an arrow. Like I said, the car's got phenomenal paint on it. The body man on this car knocked it out of the park. And this door operates nice and easy also. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own this car. As a matter of fact, we've got 220 cars in stock and we own every one of them. So you bet we took our time to check them out before we bought them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any question you have. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive. Now let's go outside and take for a ride. All right, guys, let's go for a ride. Cobras are a blast. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you anything about this Cobra you want to know. And don't forget, we can help with financing too. We got 2 bankers we work with. They can set up a phone call with a banker, and in about 15 minutes, we can get this dream in your driveway. What I love about these things, you can turn a corner on a dime. What an amazing machine these Cobras are. Now, we're right outside the Motor City, and we'd love to have you come visit. We've got about 220 cars in stock, and we're bringing in 40 new cars every month. So always keep an eye on us. Look at us on YouTube, Facebook, keep an eye on our website. You never know what we got coming in at Vanguard. We'll do a little Yui here. These Cobras are one of my favorite cars to drive. Just because, I mean, it's like driving a go-kart. with a whole lot of horsepower. I mean, I'm just barely touching the accelerator. The car is fast as can be. Very, very well put together. Beautiful paintwork. Now down here on the dash, you've got all the gauges you need here. We got the speedo, we got the tach, looks like water temp, oil pressure. What else we got? Fuel gauge here, voltage gauge. We've got some temporary labels here on all the switches so you can know what all those switches are when we park it, streaming your drive. And we'll get a little on right here for a minute. We'll make a little noise. As you can see, got no problem pulling out in traffic in this baby. Just an amazing machine. These are a blast to drive. I put a lot of, like if I choose a car to drive home for an evening, it's a Cobra, guys. Just a blast. Now our shop's right outside the Motor City. We'd love to have you come visit. We're only about 20 minutes from the airport, so just fly on in, drive on in. We're open on Saturdays also. And I tell you what, these Cobras are selling fast. So if you're interested in this baby, please call Tom and let him know, and we can get this dream parked in your drive. Now stick with us, because we're gonna do something you don't normally get to see. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at what's making the power under the hood. All right, we're underneath this Factory 5 now. Man, she is beautiful under here. All the suspension is all stock Mustang back here, 8.8 rear end in here, 365 gear. It is posi. It's got some meat on it. We're going to take a look at that here in a minute. We got the fuel filter mounted up here. All the paint work looks good. Batteries mounted here. We got the protection here on the gas tank. All the tin work looks great. We got the Borg-Warner T5 5-speed trans. It does have a cable clutch on it. 5-liter Mustang motor up front here. Of course, the frame is beautiful. All the tin work up here looks great. It's got aluminum radiator in it. We got disc brakes up front, and we do have disc brakes in the back also. Just an amazing machine here, guys. Now let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, we got the Indy 500 Firehawks here. Some great looking wheels. See if I can find the size here. Looks like 2 35/60 15s up front, and look at the finish on them pipes, man. All that jet coating looks great. Now let's check the rear. All right, out back here we got 2 95/50 15s, same gorgeous wheels, same good looking Firehawks. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here we got a 302. It's an 87 to 91 model. It is a roller motor. We got a 650 4-barrel carb sitting on there. That's a Demon. She's a double pumper. It's got dual feed. It's got an Edelbrock polished up intake on it, aluminum water pump. We got a serpentine belt set up here on the alternator. Everything in here is nice and clean. We do have manual brakes and manual steering. The thing is set up to get out and rock and roll, guys. She's a beautiful car. She's a Cobra. Take a look at the workmanship here. They even put the stripes on the bottom side of the hood. Isn't that cool? Hey, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.